Every person has two options. Either continue living the way life is passing by or gather courage and change their life completely. Learn the lesson of love from the rain, which falls on both flowers and thorns. Sometimes, when people speak sweetly to you, they are not giving you respect but deceiving you. There are two types of pain in the world, one that hurts you and the other that changes you. The limit of patience is that there should be no objection to Allah's distribution and your destiny. No matter how much love a relationship is tied with, if respect and consideration are lost, love also fades away. If tears fall from your eyes and roll down your cheeks, it means you are hurt, but if tears get stuck in your throat while coming from your eyes, it means something inside has broken. Life teaches so many lessons. Sometimes, to maintain relationships, you have to act, and sometimes, even after knowing the other person's act, you have to smile. Even if a relationship ends, good people still feel shame about the past. In old age, it won't be your children but the upbringing you gave them that will feed you. When someone ignores you, understand that they are silently requesting to leave your life and theirs. The law is like a spider's web. Only small insects get trapped, while the big ones tear it apart and escape. It's not necessary that only your dog turns out to be loyal. Sometimes, your loyal one might also turn out to be a dog. Share your sorrows and difficulties only with Allah, with the belief that He will answer and relieve your pain. At least once a week, feed a poor person a good meal, and give a portion of your wealth in the way of Allah to start a trade with Him. Your sustenance will increase so much that you won't be able to handle it.